In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete Snapchat link from your Facebook profile. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Facebook app and then we need to head over to our Facebook profile page. The easiest way to do so is just tap right here at our profile picture. Down below here at details, it will show us all the links that we have added to our Facebook profile. We can tap somewhere here at the first link and it will show us all the links. Here I got just 2 links. That's actually my Snapchat profile and a website. Then in order to remove a link, we need to hit at edit links. And then we'll be taken to that page where we can easily remove any link from here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Snapchat link. So now I need to tap at remove just underneath my Snapchat profile in that way. And as you can see, it's now gone. But now we need to save the changes. So I'm going to tap right here at save. And after a couple of seconds, we'll be taken to our Facebook profile. It still displays the link here, however, we just need to refresh the page. And as you can see now, the link to my Snapchat profile is gone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.